This is part 2 of the video series on problems on tax. The video link of the part 1 is given in the description box below. Please watch that tutorial. Now, here we have a problem, and the problem says you purchased a hairdryer for rupees 5,400 including 8% tax. So in this price, that is rupees 5,400, tax has been included at the rate of 8%. Find the price before the tax was added. That is, you have to tell the original price excluding this 8% tax. So let's solve it in two different ways. The first way is, this is the first way, and here let us suppose that the original price, that is the price without this tax, is rupees X. Okay, now the tax is how much? Tax is 8%. It means that this 8% will be calculated on this original price, that is 8% of rupees X. This is equal to 8 by 100 multiplied by X. This is the tax amount, rupees this much. This is the tax amount that will be, when added to this X, will give you this rupees 5,400, because we know that tax is calculated on the original price. So 8% of X will be this much. So from here, rupees X plus rupees X plus rupees, that is a tax amount, 8x by 100. This is equal to rupees 5,400, because this 5,400 is the original price plus this 8% tax on the original price. So from here you get rupees, if you solve it, you get 108x, right, by 100, right, taking LCM, and then here you have rupees 5,400. So from here, if you solve it further, you get rupees X is equal to, this 100 will come here, so this is rupees 5,400 multiplied by 100. If you're getting confused, so let me remove this rupees from here, and this is what, 108 multiplied by X. Now you can understand this, what we have done here, and divided by 108. A simple solution here. So from here you get rupees X is equal to, rupees is unit of money, so that's important to mention in your answer. So rupees X is equal to rupees, what is this? If you solve it, you get, this can be written as 54 multiplied by 100, right? 5400 means 54 multiplied by 100, and this 100 is already there, and this is 108. From here you get rupees X is equal to rupees, this is 54, if you divide this you get 2, right? And from here, if you divide this further, you get this as 50. So here we get rupees 5,000, that is X is equal to rupees 5,000, rupees 5,000. So X is equal to rupees 5,000, that is the original price without this 8% tax, right? Now, the second method, using the unitary method, So your tax is what? 8%. 8% tax means that if your original price is, if your original price is rupees 100, then on this rupees 100, at this rate you'll have to pay tax of rupees 8. 8% means that if the original price is 100, then the tax will be rupees 8. That is that the price including the tax will be on this original price including tax will be rupees 100 plus rupees 8, that is rupees 108. Okay, it means that when you're, now let's apply the unitary method. It means that when your price including the tax is rupees 108, then for this price including tax, your original price is how much? Rupees 100. Therefore, if you calculate for rupee 1, so for this one you get rupees 100 divided by 108. Therefore, if the price including the tax is rupees 5,400, because this is the price, that is original price plus the tax, then in that case it will be rupees 100 divided by 108 multiplied by rupees 5,400. Now if you look at this one, it's exactly the same to this one, because we can write it as, this is rupees 100 multiplied by 5,400 divided by 108. This again can be written as 100 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 54. 5,400 can be written as 54 multiplied by 100 or 100 multiplied by 54. So this is 108. Now if you solve it, please, you'll get this exactly the same answer, that is rupees 5,000. So the original price without this 8% tax is rupees 5,000. Here we have another problem that says an article was purchased for rupees 1,239 including tax of 18%. Find the price of the article before the tax was added. Now before the tax was added means what? You have to calculate, or you have to tell the original price that doesn't include this tax. That is when you calculate 18% tax on the original price. So again, two different ways in which we can solve this problem. The first way is that let's suppose that the original price is X. Now tax is what? 8%. This tax will be, the tax is, this is the rate, 8%. So if you calculate the tax amount, if you have to calculate the tax amount, that will be 8% of this X. It means what? 8 by 100, sorry, this is 18%, I'm sorry, 18 by 100 multiplied by X, it means what? 18x by 100. Now x plus 18x divided by 100, this will be equal to original price plus the tax amount will be equal to 1239 rupees, 1239. Right? Now if you solve it, you get 118x divided by 100 is equal to rupees 1239. From here you get x is equal to 1239 multiplied by 100 divided by 118. If you solve this, you will get x is equal to rupees 1050. If you solve it, you'll get 1050. It means that the original price, that is x, is equal to rupees 1050. That doesn't include the tax amount that is calculated on the at the rate of 18% on this original price of 1050. Okay. Now the second method way, that is same, the unitary method. So what does it tell us? That the tax of 18% means, tax of 18% means that if your original price is 100, if your original price is rupees 100, then the tax that will be calculated on this original price will be rupees 18. This 18% means that original price is 100, then the tax that will be calculated on this 100 will be 18. It means that the price including tax, will be how much? Rupees 100 plus 18, that is rupees 118. Now this rupees 118 means what? Now we can apply the unitary method. That says that if your price including tax is rupees 118, then your original price is rupees 100. Therefore, if your price including tax is just rupee 1, then your original price will be rupees 100 divided by 118. Therefore, if your price including tax is rupees 1239, then your original price, that is the price without the tax, will be rupees 100 divided by 118 multiplied by 1239. Now if you solve this, you'll get rupees 100 multiplied by 1239 and divided by 118. You'll get the same answer because it's exactly the same to this one. Can you see here? So you'll get rupees 1050. So whether you solve this problem with this first way or the second way, that is the unitary method, you are going to get the same answer. And the answer is that is the original price is rupees 1050.